I love Chad. Good luck. Good luck in Nagoya. You are my hero. I love
Christine
and Kayla. And I love you all. Love always. VK. Good luck and that's not an idol. I !DD. Love you, VK. Let me read everyone. Christine and Chad. Your puppy. And I. Wow. Your puppy and I are cool. I guess I like you a little. I guess G-Rad. Single D to my friend. I go like I so fed you. You're fine. Hi, Ashley. Kayla, eating like Mackenzie. Caitlin should not shut. Hey, Andrew, I want you to know that you are the best at fifing this guitar. Chad, you are the best. Hot Jess. Woo, Hot Jess. I love your music, Chatty. From your favorite black girl.
Wait, what?
Black girl. Black girl.
Janine.
Oh, God. To North? I love her. I don't think I know her, though. Wait, what I didn't read. What did this say?
That's
Mara Mackenzie. No, that don't say.
It's Chuck.
That's Chuck.
Wait, that's his Chuck?
Yeah.
Chuck?
Glassmere?
Chuck and Glassmere. I know the guitar. Stop it. We're gonna go. Good time.
Alright.
Ow, Cheeto on my foot.
Cheetah?
It's from the blanket.
No, she's good.
Here, girl. Are you warm? Hey, are you okay? Are you okay?
She's good, Vanessa. She's okay. She's okay. She's just waiting for Tyler. She's really in a...
Who?
She's in a...
Waiting for him?
Our friend upstairs. She's really in a mood. You should just go.
Okay.
Okay.
I just want to make sure she's warm because I hate when people are cold.
She's warm.
You should give her that towel.
She's warm.
Where my shoes go?
You didn't wear them in here.
Really?
Really.
Stupid idiot.
Oh wait.
Yes, you did. Just kidding. Black flip
You
flop.
stupid dork. Okay, let me. Ow, Cheeto.
Cheeto?
Ow, what is that thing? A peanut. What the fuck?
Here, Vanessa.
Yo, you're my lifesaver. I love you. You're my food. Hey, turn that off.
It's not videotaping.
You lie like a little girl. Uh-oh. Peanut dress?
No,
Yo, hear that door slam. Sit down. Stop it, Christine. You know what my problem is. I don't want to put you. No, I got a problem. Stop, Chad. They're really showing my booby eyes.
Stop.
Stop, Christina.
Christina, stop.
Your head, Vanessa.
Oh, my gosh. Oh, my God. Oh shit. Oh shit. Just hold on. Hold on. Just like
Sweet Jess, are you going to start dating that Jack?
Oh, stop it. Ow.
Jess?
Well, yeah, we are dating.
You are?
Yeah.
Aw.
You guys would want that.
Is this stereo?
Yeah, he
I fucking hate stereos. I hate the fact that they make me dizzy. Oh.
Okay, well, we're going to go to sleep now, Vanessa. So I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Make sure she's warm.
She's good.
Don't look.
We're not looking.
Oh, shit. Just I'll follow you.
Oh, turbo.
Bye, guys.
Oh, damn. Take it down. Take it down. Shut the door. Hey, you. Hey, you. Who are you?
I'm Christian.
Christian. My name is Vanessa. Shut and lock the door, okay?
I'll lock it.
I am not responsible. No.
Alright.
Ready, Jess? I'm ready.
Good night.
Go. You go first. Ninja. Ninja.
I missed that.